for this, we need a real dancer. Someone who can pull off the moves the way they should be.
I am ready.
Not you.
Not me.
Please welcome Alicia's favourite Strictly dancer, AJ Pritchard! AJ, do you always wear that?
I've gone for smart casual, as you can probably
Okay,
tell.
yeah. Okay, let's play particularly tricky Strictly. AJ, perform your first dance.
Alicia, which dance is that? Now, you've got your boards. Let's see what you think it is.
Charleston?
You're going for Charleston. AJ, what is it?
It's Charleston!
Right, so I can stick a star on Charleston. You got that one right, so
Beautiful.
you got a prize from the Wind Up Prize Stash. Well done.
AJ, please perform your second dance.
Strong. Okay, Alicia, which dance was that?
I think it was the salsa.
You think it was a salsa?
Oh, not so sure in the audience.
Hey, AJ,
You're the professional.
I'm wrong, aren't I?
Yeah. What was it?
It was supposed to look like a tango, but obviously I didn't do it well enough for it.
They just look similar
It was
to
a
me.
tango.
It was a
So
tango.
we're going to have to... Tango.
Sorry, got that one.
Don't
wrong.
worry,
Sorry,
don't
Alicia.
worry. Still plenty of
Yeah,
chances.
there's 3 more dances to come. OK, AJ, time for your third dance, please.
She's got it,
Alicia.
Powerful.
Okay, I think this was before my time, but...
To be fair, she's not wrong. Is it the Running Man?
I think it is.
It is the running man.
Of course it's the Running Man.
Yeah, apparently. Wind up prize stash. 2 prizes so far. 2 more dancers to go. AJ, time for your fourth dance, please. Oh, here we go.
I'll tell you what, them hips don't lie today. Hey? All right, Alicia.
Please.
Come on. What's the dance?
The salsa.
Yes, it is.
Come on. And final dance. Make it a good one, mate. Make it a good one.
I don't know if it's going to be good, but yeah. Here we go. Hold on.
It's the legs.
I was confused. My arms like this way, then the legs like this.
You made it harder for yourself. Oh, here we go.
Oh, here we go.
This could be my Strictly audition. Thanks, AJ.
It was fun.
Yeah, man.
Great, man.
Alicia.
Don't worry, I can't do it either.
Alicia, you managed to get 4 right, which means you get 4 prizes from the Wind Up Prize Stash.
Not bad at all.
Excellently done.
But, Alicia, we are not quite finished with you just yet. We are now going to give you the chance to win tonight's star prize in a game that we are calling Ball That Glitters. Come on!
Oh, gentlemen.
Beautiful. Alicia, here's how it's going to work. We will ask you a question. The answer to that question will be written on one of the 3 glitter balls. And inside that glitter ball is the star prize. All you have to do is choose the glitter ball which you believe has the correct answer written on it. Alicia, are you ready for the question?
Baby.
Yeah, true. You better be. Yeah, true.
Okay.
We'll ask you it anyway. So.
No help from AJ, please. OK. What does the AJ in AJ Pritchard stand for? Is it A, Angus Julian, B, Angelina Jolie, or C, Alex Joseph?
I think the most realistic one is C.
What, you're going for C?
Yeah.
OK, well, In that case...
Not Angelina Jolie, now.
You sure you don't want to go with Angelina Jolie?
I'm sure.
Fair enough, fair enough.
All right, well, if I can remove the bottom of this glitter ball, it means you are correct.
Okay.
Let's see if you're right. That is the correct answer, which means you go home with tonight's star prize, which are some signed ballroom dancing shoes that AJ signed for you. Plus, you won those 4 prizes from the wind-up prize test, and you got to meet AJ. How are you feeling, Alicia?
Great.
Lovely.
Wonderful.
Lovely. Hey, do a little dance together. Come on, AJ.
We'll do that salsa. What we're going to do? Keep dancing. That's what we're going to do every time.
It's like being on the second string, isn't it?
Oh, give it up for Alicia and AJ.
Today, Selfie Stick select, star of Strictly Come Dancing, AJ Pritchard!
We have given you our big Friday wind-up selfie stick so you can go and get as many selfies with our beautiful studio audience.
However, we're going to tell you exactly what we want to see in each selfie. And once a selfie has been snapped with the lovely member of our studio audience, they can ask you any question they like. Nothing is off limits.
I love it.
Nobody told him that.
No. AJ, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Beautiful.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Good, you should be.
OK, first one. Is somebody with a beard?
Sir.
Favourite football team?
Favourite football team?
Manchester United.
Somebody doing the salsa!
Someone doing the salsa! Who's doing the salsa?
Can you do the salsa for me?
Take a picture, take a picture! What's your question for AJ?
Tango or ballroom.
Ooh.
Tango.
OK.
But tango is ballroom.
True. When it's done in a ballroom, they're all ballroom.
Right, someone pretending to be asleep. Maybe go up in.
Right, we'll go down here,
We're going to the other side. Go for it.
Sleep, who's asleep?
I don't think they're pretending.
Sleep, be asleep, be asleep, be asleep. Good, what's your question?
Forgot.
Good question, okay.
Is asleep? Oh, somebody dabbing.
Oh! From AJ. Dab, picture, dab. What's your question?
Who's been your favourite
Partner to dance
dance
with.
partner?
It would have to be Molly King.
We love a bit of Molly King.
We do. OK, somebody with glasses.
Who's got glasses? What's your question?
Where's your favourite holiday destination?
Good question.
Good. Very good.
Anywhere with sun.
Anywhere with sun.
Anywhere with sun.
Okay.
The Earth.
Anywhere with sun.
Right.
Come on, debut pair. Let's have a look at those selfies. I think we've got some good ones there.
Right, let's
Okay.
take a look.
All right,
Oh,
so...
what am I doing there?
I like it.
Oh, wow.
This is the girl who doesn't want to be in the shop. Oh, no, that's the dab. That's the dab.
Dab.
Sleeping.
Sleeping, pretending.
Lovely. This one was the salsa. This was doing the salsa,
rocking
wasn't
it
it?
up there, yes.
Very good.
Very good. And finally, beard.
Beard man.
Beard's a
Beard
good
man.
one.
Manchester.
All right, well, you have to pick one selfie subject to win the much-coveted Big Friday Wind-Up water bottle. Who are you going with? But it's up to you. It's up to you.
Look at that.
You like that one?
She
Like that
went
one?
for it. Spur of the moment, salsa in. There it is.
OK,
Has to
salsa.
win.
Salsa, you win a water bottle. She's happy. She's happy. Well done, mate. Give it up for AJ Pritchard. Come on, mate. I've been looking forward to this.
Okay. You've got 26 seconds, AJ. Right.
Use all your balance and all that stuff that you do. Right, AJ, you've got 26 seconds.
Ready, steady, climb! Go on.